Hello dearies, welcome back once again. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell to be notified on every update that I put here. So today we are going to prepare a nice, delicious, authentic pancake. Yes, and the ingredient to be using is our sugar, nutmeg, flour, our 1 whole egg, some milk, and vanilla essence. Yes, so let's get into it. First of all, I'll put my flour in my basin. Yes, my bowl. After, I'll add my sugar. Yeah, I'm adding all the dry ingredients. So I added the sugar, mixed it up a little, and I added the nutmeg as well. So I create a hole in the middle, crack my egg into it, and then mixed it up. After mixing the ingredients together, I added a little water into it to mix it into a smooth batter paste. After I got that smooth paste, I went ahead and added my milk. Yes, as you can see, this is my milk. So I rinsed the bowl out with a little water and I added up a little and mixed it again. So you can see how light my mixture is. You can make it thick if you want. So instead of using the frying pan, I decided to use my toaster. Yeah, my electric toaster. So I used butter in greasing it and I poured in my mixture, as you can see me doing. It's so nice to use and it's so easy. So I fried this in my toaster until it was golden brown. And here is the final result. Voila! Yeah, it's so nice and very delicious. It's so nice to taste it hot. So please, you can eat yours very hot after taking it from fire. So I added some honey to it to make it so nice and tasty. You can eat yours raw with any drink or anything of your choice. Try this simple recipe at home and make the family happy. Thanks for watching and please give a thumbs up if you like this video. Bye bye. See you soon on my next video.